If you're tired of sluggish membrane keyboards, switching to a mechanical one could revolutionize your gaming experience. Mechanical keyboards dominate the market with their exceptional feel and responsiveness, unlike traditional keyboards. While rubber dome keyboards have been used for ages, mechanical options are gaining undeniable popularity among enthusiasts. Mechanical keyboards offer tactile feedback that enhances typing accuracy, making them ideal for fast typists and gamers. Speed is another advantage. Mechanical keyboards respond faster, eliminating frustrating lags during critical moments in games. Customization is a huge perk, with various switch types available, ensuring you find the perfect match for your style.